Welcome to my channel. Dear students, today we discuss the multiple choice questions. These questions are based model paper from SSLC board. I have tried to answer them and also tried to explain the answers. At the same time, the other possible questions related to the some lesson also I tell you. So follow that. I wish you all the best. You can participate in this quiz. Let us see the first one MCQ question. The Portuguese sailor who discovered the new sea route to India, very easy question. Vasco da Gama, Francisco de Almeida, Magellan, Columbus. Right answer is Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama went to the Lisbon and reached the Kapadu in Kerala, Arkalikote. So who discovered the new sea route to India? So Vasco da Gama when 1498 he reached in India. Second one MCQ question. Political anarchy broke out in Punjab after the death of Dalip Singh, Jai Singh, Ranjit Singh, Pratap Singh. Ranjit Singh. Right answer is Ranjit Singh. Third one MCQ question. The basis of the administration during the British rule was judicial system, education system, military system, police system. Right answer is a military system. Fourth one MCQ question. The policy introduced by the Dalhousie was doctrines of lapse, subsidiary alliance, dual government, divide and rule policy. Right answer is a doctrines of lapse policy. Fifth one MCQ question. The Samaja founded by the Atmaram Panduranga is Brahma Samaja, Prarthana Samaja, Arya Samaja, Ramakrishna Mission. The right answer is a Prarthana Samaja. And sixth one MCQ question. During the Sipahi Mutiny of 1857, the soldier entered the Red Fort and declared this Mughal king was their king. Right answer is C. Shah Alam II, Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan, Bahadur Shah II. Right answer Bahadur Shah II. Seventh one MCQ question. Give me your blood and I will give you freedom. This was said by the great freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Balagangadhar Tilak, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Very easy. Subhash Chandra Bose said that. The eighth one MCQ question. The period between 1885 to 1905 is known as the age of moderates, renunciants, radicals, revolutionaries. The right answer is a moderate. Ninth one MCQ question. Jawaharlal Nehru started to develop in India through education, agriculture, 5-year plan and industries. 5-year plan. 5-year plan was first introduced during the period of the Jawaharlal Nehru. 10th one MCQ question. Swaraj Party was founded by Lala Lajpat Rai, Motilal Nehru and Gandhi, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Motilal Nehru and Chittaranjan Das. The right answer is Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das. 11th one MCQ question. Boycotting the schools, college and courts were programs under this movement. Civil disobedience movement, Satyagraha, non-cooperation movement, Khilapat movement. Right answer is a non-cooperation movement. 12th one MCQ question. The person who became the famous along with the name of Rani Channamma was, easy question, Puttabasappa, Dondiwag, Sangolli Rayana, Venkatappa Nayaka. Right answer is a Sangolli Rayana. 13th one MCQ question. Abhinava Bharata and Anushilana Samiti were the two important secret organizations in USA, India, Japan, Germany. Right answer is options B, India. 14th one MCQ question. Assembly of people around a common interest without any expectation or planning is called Red Mob Movement and Revolution. The right answer is a mob. 15th one MCQ question. Those who are willing to work but are denied an opportunity to do so are called as employed, literate people, unemployed people, illiterate people. Those who are willing to work but are denied an opportunity to do so are called as unemployed people. And 16th one MCQ question. Offering bribe and following any other illegal means to achieve some illegal benefit is called communalism, unemployment, corruption, regionalism. Right answer is corruptions. 17th one MCQ question. The affiliated body that acts like the global parliament to discuss world issues is General Assembly, Security Council, Trust Council, Secretariat. The right answer is the General Assembly. 18th one MCQ question. The rights which a person acquire by the birth are called fundamental rights, natural rights, human rights, civil right. Right answer human rights. 19th one MCQ question. D. Nanjundappa has given special report to solve the problems of communalism, regional imbalance, unemployment, terrorism. Right answer is a regional imbalance. 20th MCQ question. The Prohibition of Child Laborer Act was implemented in the year 1988 century ago, 1976 century ago, 1986 century ago, 1985 century ago. The right answer 1986. 21st MCQ question. The child laborer is fostered by unorganized labor sector, organized labor sector, unpaid laborer sector, paid laborer sector. Right answer unorganized labor sector. 22 MCQ question. General Secretary of UNO is elected by the who elected by the General Secretary of UNO? General Assembly, Secretariat, Security Council, Trustship Council. Right answer is a General Assembly. 23rd MCQ question. The highest peak of South India is Mount Everest, Anamudi, Nilagiri Hills, Armakonda. Mount Everest is a highest peak of the world. Anamudi is the highest peak of the South India. Nilagiri is the place of the meet at the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Armakonda is the highest peak of the Eastern Ghats. So the right answer is Anamudi is the highest peak of the South India. And 24th MCQ question. Tropical cyclone frequently occur in the Bay of Bengal during this season. The winter season, the rainy season, the retreating monsoon season, the summer season. The right answer is the retreating monsoon season or northeast monsoon season. 25th MCQ question. Under the conditions of high temperature and rainfall, the soil that is formed in the tropical areas is black soil, laterite soil, red soil, mountain soil. The right answer is laterite soil. 26th MCQ question. The forests which are found in delta of the rivers are mountain forest, mangrove forest, tropical evergreen forest, deciduous forest. The right answer is a tropical evergreen forest. The 27th MCQ question. The place which receives least amount of rainfall and is the driest place in India is Roili in Rajasthan, Ganganagar in Rajasthan, Mawsynram in Meghalaya, Agumbe in Karnataka. See, Roili in Rajasthan, Ganganagar in Rajasthan, hottest place, Mawsynram in Meghalaya is a heaviest rain place, wettest place. Agumbe in Karnataka is a Chirapunji of Karnataka. It is also the highest rain received in Karnataka. The right answer is a Roili in Rajasthan. 28th question. The tributaries of river Kaveri are Gomati and Yamuna, Sabaramati and Netravati, Bhima and Tungabhadra, Hemavati and Kapila. The right answer is Hemavati and Kapila. 29th MCQ question. The best example of beverage crops are rice and wheat, sugarcane and tobacco, cotton and jute, tea and coffee, C. Rice and wheat are food crop. Sugarcane and tobacco are the commercial crop. Cotton and jute are the fabric crop. Tea and coffee are the beverage crop. Right answer, tea and coffee. The 30th MCQ question. For the development of villages and agriculture, the means of transport which is essential is railways, road, pipeline, inland waterways. Right answer, roads. 31st MCQ question. The iron and steel industry under the public sector among this is Ispat Steel Plant, Tata Steel Plant, Bokaro Steel Plant, Jindal Steel Plant. Right answer is a Bokaro Steel Plant. 32 MCQ question. Using building materials of high quality and avoiding the high-rise buildings can prevent earthquakes, landslide, floods, cyclone. Earthquakes. 33 MCQ question. The first railway line in India was laid between Bombay and Nasik, Kolkata and Raniganj, Chennai and Arankonam, and Bombay and Thane. The right answer is the Bombay to Thane in 1853. And 34th MCQ question. Women self-help group contribute towards building a clean progressive society. Which point support this is educate corruption, role in getting rid of social evil like child marriage, provide the good education, eradicate poverty. The right answer is a role in getting rid of social evil like child marriage. 36th, 5th MCQ question. Which of the following is not an indicator of human development index? Life expectancy, per capita income, national income, educational attachment. Right answer is a national income. 26th MCQ question. Economic development is a process whereby an economy's real national income increases over a long period of time. This definition of development is according to Mirror and Badoni, Mehbooba Ullah, Amartya Sen, Colin Clark. The right answer is some Mehri and Badoni. 27th MCQ question. Account opened by salary persons or by the persons who have the filled regular income is saving bank account, requiring deposit account, current account, deposit account. The right answer is a saving bank account. 38 MCQ question. The types of account where any number of transactions can be made in a day with a bank is saving bank account, requiring deposit account, current account, transferred term deposit account. The right answer is a current account. 39th MCQ question. If the compensation to be received is above the rupees 50 lakhs, then the consumer should contact National Commission, District Farm Planning Commission, State Commission. Right answer D, State Commission. The 40th MCQ question. Panchayat Raj institution work under the principles of centralization, cooperation, decentralization, development. The right answer is a decentralization. Dear student, this is an effort to help you to know the correct answer. Hope you have answered all the questions and scored very good marks. This is just a model. Dear student, many of these questions we have discussed in our regular classes, chapter wise. Still few more chapters are yet to come. I will give you a chapter every day. Keep watching and keep forwarding this to your friends. Thank you.